What is up, guys? I am back with another video. Today, I'm gonna show you what happened I'm gonna show you what happened to Andre the Giant when he tried to mess with me. Guys, this is what happened when he tried to mess with Dominator. This is what happened. But now, guys, we're about to get back to the video. Alright, guys, I was saying that's what happens when you mess with Dominator. You get that. Now, we want to see who's next to get the Jackhammer. Okay? And we don't know who it is. Oh, yeah. I forgot. It's that Maverick guy, huh? No title match. Alright. Well, it looks like he's going to get it. Alright, guys. You ready for this, guys? Are you ready for this? Because we are going to do this. Ready for this. Alright, guys. I'll meet you when we get to the match. Alright, guys. We're about to start the match. Here we go. Non-title match. Non-title match. Okay, guys. Here we go. One-on-one non-title match. Let's do this. Hope you guys like this video, guys, because I want to make sure there's more and more career modes. And here's the WWE World Champion, Dominator. This guy looks like a lunatic. Look at the championship right around his waist. Woohoo! Man, this guy does not look like a guy you want to mess with. 7-foot monster. And we're going up against Dan Matt. Oh my God, man! Why are they always putting me against somebody who has a tag team? Is that The Miz? No, not The Miz. I don't know who this guy is. I mean, probably from back in the days. Kind of looks like Wade Barrett. Or Neville. Nope, not him. Not him, definitely. What about the guy from commentary? I don't know, but it's time. It's time. Dan May, are you sure you're very excited to be standing in the ring? I'm sure you're very excited to stand in the ring with a champion like me. But we both know that you do not belong here, so there's no point in putting this title on the match. I think of yourself as a sparring partner, and perhaps you'll benefit the experience. Don't patronize me, Dominator. We both know you're scared to put the title on the line. What? I'm a fighting champion. Don't you ever talk to me like that. I'm a fighting champion. I want the championship on the line. I cannot choose. You think I could choose? If I was choosing, I'll put the title on the line on every single match. But you know what? It doesn't go like that. The game chooses my matches. Just like the Authority chooses your matches. Skull Crusher. Alright, Skull Crushing finale. The speed. Oh, clothesline! Damn! You see this big man? He can hit a springboard and you know. Oh, damn. Oh! God. Alright, here we go! Kick! Oh, damn, that was a nice clothesline right here. Get in the corner now. Guys, you know we want him in a corner right now, so... Oh, Spine Buster! Uh-oh. Get up. Get up now. Told you should have never messed with a WWE World Champion. DDT! Whoa. Oh, my God. Well, guys, the last and final Jackhammer. Back body drop. And you know what, guys? I think I'm feeling like hitting it on this. Jackhammer. 2. What? We just got an upset. Chow right to the referee. He's pissed off right now. He doesn't feel like doing this right now. He wants to finish this match. Kid, didn't you believe this guy just kicked out the Jackhammer? Jackhammer again. Count it, ref. I got a bad feeling he's going to kick out again. Kick out. What? This guy just kicked out the second Jackhammer. Get him. Hold on. Raju kick. He's not showing no mercy right now. He wants to beat this guy. Dan Maverick, huh? Jackhammer. Jackhammer again. Planted. Match is over. What? Oh my god. Oh, nice. Nice combo right there. Let's go. You know, I'm done with you, man. I'm done. Oh god. Vicious reversal. Jackhammer. He wants to put an end to this match. Oh, back body. Oh, count ref. What? Kick out. Bronju kick. Oh, bulldog. Oh my god, is he busted open? He just hit a bulldog right on the steel. Holy moly. Alright, catch him. Oh, damn, man. This guy ain't showing no mercy. He doesn't want this match to stay on, man. He wants to finish off him. And you know what we're going to do to finish him off? Oh my god, what just happened? I think the 7-foot monster just messed up. Oh my god, this guy's fast. I wouldn't even get the chance. I was just about... Beat it! Drop kick! Oh my god, man. Dominator could be out right now. Is Dominator out? Oh my god! Suplex! Oh man! I think the champion is fired up now. And I think the champion is trying to prove why he is your WWE World Champion. And he's gonna suplex him in. Kick out! Ref! Oh my god! Referee! Get up! Finish him off! And the champion comes out with the win. Dominator is Jackhammers after Jackhammers. Jackhammer again. Stay down, my boy. Stay down. What the heck? Wow, the champion, the WWE World Champion, is proving something. That he is your champion. I want a Royal Rumble. Do you guys want a Royal Rumble? Do you guys want a Royal Rumble? I think you guys want a Royal Rumble. Don't you guys want a Royal Rumble? For Thanksgiving special, we have a Royal Rumble. What do you guys say? Royal Rumble. 7-man Royal Rumble. 7-man Royal Rumble. Because we could do a 7-man Royal Rumble if you guys want. Alright, guys, we're going to do a 7-man Royal Rumble, okay? Uh-oh, 7-man Royal Rumble. No, let's do a 5-man Royal Rumble. Alright, 7. Let's see what Dominator can do. See who wants to have a match in the Royal Rumble. Perry Class, the one who he took the championship from the Royal Rumble for the WWE World Championship. On the line, WWE Championship. And you know it's going to be a Royal Rumble. No, not a count-out Royal Rumble, a Battle Royal. Sorry. What? What are you talking about? Okay, whatever. We'll have another Royal Rumble with Low road, huh? The man, low road, huh? Looks like he wants some. Guys, I'm gonna try to do some live streams. No, I don't want that championship. I have my own championship. Alright, here we go. Come on, come on. I don't want a no title match. I want a non-match. And a battle royal. Battle royal, please. Okay. Next week? Oh my god. Alright, next week. Come on. Please tell me. Oh, come on, man. Battle royal. Okay, forget this guy, man. Forget this guy. I'm not doing this anymore. This guy's pissing me off. I want a Royal Rumble. No. Oh, no. Damn it. Okay. I'm no longer active right now. Okay. He's not a wrestler. Come on, friends. Come on. We got this. We can have a championship match. Steve Engine, huh? Please tell me you could have a match versus me. Come on. It's for the championship. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, okay? Come on. I'm giving you an opportunity at the championship. Come on. Please. Oh, God. What about this next week? Please, just tell me next week. Oh, yo, these people are scaredy cats. We could have a match. Come on. Please, Gorilla Grundy, have a match with me in the Royal Rumble pay-per-view. Please. Royal Battle Royal, please. For you two. Okay, next week. Next week, first week of January. Oh my god, guys, we got a battle royal. We have a battle royal coming up, guys, soon. Like tomorrow, we're going to have a 7-man battle royal. Here we go. What the heck? Oh yeah, sorry. 7-man battle royal for the WWE World Championship. Oh my god, man. Let me just take this off for a minute. And you guys will be having our Royal Rumble coming at you. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. I haven't said that in a long time. But I do want you guys to do that, guys. Thank you guys for watching, guys. And I want you guys to just take a look at this championship. Who's this? Oh, no. Oh, no. What do you want? What do you want? Your name Dominator, huh? Why do you want to change my name? No. My name is Dominator, and you're going to take, and I don't want to be called. And I have creative mode. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Alright, guys. 7-man battle royal for the WWE World Championship. Will Dominator retain, or will he lose? Thank you guys for watching, guys. Peace out.